What are you doing? Say go, go, Thomas. Yeah, funny? Good job, buddy. You having fun? Yeah. What are you playing with? Can you tell Mommy? Oops. Liam, what are you playing with? Liam. Look at Mommy. Liam, where's your nose? That's right. Liam. Where's your ears? We haven't gotten there yet, have we? Where's your mouth? Not in the nose. Icky, icky, icky. Out. Where's your mouth? No. Icky, 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 icky. Liam, look at Mommy. Where's your mouth? No. Get your finger out your nose, Icker. Goober. There's your eyes. There's your nose. It's inside your nose. Stop it. Stop it. Liam, I'm going to show this to your future girlfriends if you keep it up. Oh, there's your mouth. That's disgusting. Liam, you say bye-bye? That's right, bye-bye.